Today we are going to discuss about daily monitoring. When you are entered the organization, you should have to do the first daily monitoring. In daily monitoring, we have the few T codes. We have to learn about these T codes. It's mandatory. Now the first T code is /n SM12. You will get this screen in SM12. It shows log entries. What is the log entries you have? You can click here, just list. You will get here how many log entries you have. All the details it shows here. Okay. Not more than 48 hours log should be in here. If there is not more than it shows not 40 more than 2 days logs. There is any background job is running, there is any update is running, you should have to take care about it, and you should inform to the where clock is and running, and you have to inform that particular user why this particular subject is going on for the last 48 hours. You'd have to take care about it, and after that you should enter SM13. The T code is come /n. N means new screen. SM13. Okay, there is shows an update request in SM13. You can check the status of update request, and you can see here this execute. You just execute, you will get all the details here, and go back. It shows all the status, cancel updates, V1, V2 and to be update, all the details it will show. You can select all, and from and till date, which date you want get from and to date, and from the time also you will have to provide. And here is showing update system. There is administration, shows here showing us administration. The update is active. You can click on administration. It shows deactivate, cancel update request, all update request, reorganize update request. You can deactivate this update. It shows you what are the data entries comes into database. That data is owned update, so you have to, this is mandatory, should be active. Okay, update is active. When is update is active, you update WordPress is working on, keep on updating the tables. Okay, so this shows update server parameters. Just the parameters, this update profile parameters. You can just see here what are the parameters we have. Just see how many parameters we have. Just you can scroll down, just scroll down, number of parameters there. What are they we required, you can change approximately that. Okay, now in SM13 you select for administration taskbar, go to update administration. Now we have the T code for update /n SM14. It's come to directly what update is active or deactive, all the details shows here. Just you can check what are you there do in SM13 in administration. You can directly you are in by using SM14 T code, you will get this screen. Now we are going to another T code /n ST22. Just see, this is showing the runtime ABAP errors. What are the errors you will get? It shows his number of count is here, today and yesterday. You can provide the date, from to time, post time, work process index, username, client number, what you should provide here. You will get all the details from here. What is above errors you will get. Just you can select start. You will get all the details. The now showing no short dumps match the selecting criteria. Means we don't have any error above error shows. So that's the reason there is it shows in 0. If I run every organization, there is above errors is showing. It will shows here is count number of errors you will get. All the counts it shows here. Okay, just click on this. You will get the overview in separate bar task from to time, from time to time, post from to, work process index, user, client, to be stored, runtime error. All the details you have to provide here and execute. It will get shows all the details here. Now we are going to see another T code /n st06. It will take the time because of operating system analysis details it will get, so it will take the time. Now it shows here, yeah, see information, manufacturer, model, the monitoring categories, and information, operating system, which type of operating system we are using, timestamp when you are get these details, host name, solutions, type and solution version, enhanced monitoring access, enhanced monitoring details, CPU. Means this is my system is configured on virtual machine, so that's the reason it's showing VMware information details. Okay, now it comes to CPU details, average process waiting time, system utilization, user utilization, idle, number of CPUs I have configured, number of processes I have configured, number of cores I have configured, number of threads per core. This CPU information will, whatever at the time of installation, whatever we given, that details it will be get from the operating system level, and system should be in 97% is idle, means the system is available, is if you will get any details it will get immediately. So user utilization 1%. Okay, the system is, it is enough for that. System utilization, user utilization, there's a 1%, means they have the use spaces available for using the system. Okay, number of CPUs have provided 2 CPUs, number of process 1 process, number of cores 2 cores, number of threads per core 1 core. This is the whatever we have provided, then CPU details it will take from the system. And this is a memory details, what are the RAM memory configured, how much RAM configured. I have configured 16 GB RAM was configured, and configured swap memory 20 GB of swap memory. Free swap memory means there is not using the any swap memory, so that's the reason whatever that we configure the swap memory it will be free. So that's the reason it shows showing us 20 GB of swap memory is the free swap memory. You are not utilize any swap memory. Maximum swap memory is 21 GB was the maximum swap memory we given. Actual swap memory size, there is a 20 GB swap memory size. Free of memory, the 66% here the memory is free. Page in and page out, so how much MB of using the page in and page out. Page in and RAM, the 2% of we are using the page in and RAM, and the page out RAM how much percent is 0%. Physically how much MB are we are using, the 16 MB are we are using. Free value how much we are the free, this swap free 20 MB, and the swap size, swap maximum size, all the details you will get from here, from ST06. file system management, physical system management, physical disk management, physical memory, CPU, virtual machine details we will get from ST06. And next T code we are going to see is the next T code SM50 slash N SM50, means it's showing how many processor, the dialog, update, background, spool, how many processor we configured in our system. Okay. This it shows AS instance India dev 00. Here our system name is development system, and India instance name AS instance. How many processor we configured? 19 work process we configured. Dialog 10 work process. Update 1. Background 6. Spool 1. Update task 2, it will shows 1. And configurable 19 work process we can configure. Okay. This is the what we are configured this work process. And another T code is /n SM66. It shows global work process. What are the system, how many instances we have, all the instance details we will get from here. So now we have the only one instance is 00, is 01, 02, 03. How number of instances configured, you can get all the details here in SM66. Now I am going to enter another T code /n ST02. It will shows all the memory information about your SAP system. See here, buffer, hit ratio, actual, free swap, and disk size, free information, free disk swaps, DB access, how much percentage we are current using SAP memories, and page memory, extended memory, heat memory. Just see here what are the details we are getting from here. Hit ratio is 97% ratio, 99% program, 98% CUS, screen 99%, calendar, others, export and import, how much memory we are allocated, free memory we have, free swaps, the free disk memory, and swap memories. This should be swaps will be in 0 in every SAP system, because of if you are getting the swaps is 0, your system is very high configurable, and it useful for it will get the information quickly. If the swaps is showing here, means your memory configuration is very less, you have to upgrade your memory. Let's see here, hit ratio 97%, 97.07% hit ratio is idle, means you have available, you can use this much of memory you utilize for this. And extended memory 19.23%, and current usage, maximum usage in memory, on disk memory we are not utilizing anything, so your hit ratio is good. Okay, you will get all the detailed system information details. And we are going to use another T code DB SM by using SM51. What are the details we are getting? Just see here, SM51. Just see here how many work processes we have, how many work process application server we are configured. Just see, you can get all the in SAP system how many work application servers you are configured. It shows here list of instances. Now we are going to enter /n SM21. You will get system log details. All the system log details you will get from here by using SM21. Okay, see here what we are getting. Then parity, very high parity. It shows very high parity. Means you have to clear this. You have to read about this log, and you will get what are the problem you are getting. This means what, why it shows here. Before we are enter in SM13T code, we are deactivated for updates. Then we are update, we are activated. So we will got the, because when we are deactivated an update, that time no tables will be updated, because that's when your update is works perfectly, your table should be updated or immediately. If your active update is inactive, means you what are the data entered in SAP system, that data is not going to update your database. So that's the reason it shows here very high purity. So you have to look about what are the system logs we are getting. System message, see here, system log messages, what are the, it shows very high priority. So you have to look about these things. It shows message also, this update was manually deactivated, this update was activated. So we are doing deactivated and activated, so that's the reason it shows immediately here. Okay, now we are going to enter in another T code /n db12, means it's in a database backup. We'll get the screen what is the details we are shows here. DB database backup logs, DB name, what are your system name, and DB server, where you are installing server, DB release, which version are you are using, start time. Okay, list of successful backups. When you are complete the backup, it shows available backups. Now I'm not taking any backups, so it shows not available. If the organization, you will get the this is you will get available. Okay, overview of database backups, how many backups you have. Can you refresh here, it will shows database defaults, establishment is connection, database connection default establishment is successfully. Okay, means your system and SAP system is database, in between the connection is clear, there is no problem is there. Okay, and recoveries, when your backup is available, then you can recover easily. Okay, what is the database, you can recover easily. Now we are going to do another T code /n db13, means it shows database calendar. Just see here, calendar, it shows in here calendar, DB planning. According this DB calendar, you can set online backup, offline backup, what are the, you have to choose here. Data log backups, offline backups, full backup, offline full backup, the data log online full backup, check back databases, check cleanup logs, compress database, what are the actions you have to do in which date. You can set for this the date, it will be do the automatically by what date you are came, which date you are came. If you, for example, you are giving and next is this month is 26th 23rd, you can give the planning full offline backup. That day and time comes, it will be taken automatically full backup without human interface. Okay, now we are getting how you are getting the ST06 system logs, and we also get database logs also, and by using the and the one T code /n db14, /n db14. Okay, here is we are showing database operation logs, database displaying database operation logs. The database name is dev, so our system name is dev, where your server is there, and release backups, br space br connect, br backup, br archive, and others. Means why br is came. Br means when you are operating the database is Oracle, it will came for br tools. So the based on the your database, you will get the, you will change this one. Okay, br space operations, br connect operations, database backup, database log backups. In db14 we will get database backup by br space br connect, br backup, br archive. Br archive means regular log backups archiving, means every regular logs we have there is a small space, so that's the reason we are going to archive that regular log backups. And we are going to check another T code by using /n sm37. sm37, by using sm37 we are get background work process status. See here, job status, schedule, release, ready, active, finish, cancel. Just execute. There is no job matches, means I have not scheduled any background jobs, so it will shows no jobs. But every organization they can schedule that background jobs. Okay, just you can give the username ** and execute. You will get all the details from here. So how many jobs are scheduled, how many jobs are released, how many jobs are ready, how many jobs are active, how many jobs are finished, how many jobs is cancelled. You will get all the details from here. Okay, now we are going to do the another T code by using st04 /n st04. Okay, performance overview. What our system performance, db performance and system performance, it will shows here. See here what are the details. Before we came these details and also we get these details. See here, size, data buffer, shared pool, log buffer, display time, start, seconds in start, log records, physically records, physical waiting, buffer busy waiting, buffer wait time. What details we are getting here? This is very important. This is a regular log waiting time, log files usage, actually fault ratio, percentage, entries, how many entries we are done in log buffer, size, how much KB we are utilized. All the details you will get here. Okay, this is database alert log performance. If you get any problem, you should have to take care about, you should have to see this db04. You will get some information about the alerts. Now we are going to enter in another T code /n sp01, means spool administration, spool request, how many spool requests we get, means spool means printing, how many printing requests we get, and this system, all the details shows here. Okay, /n sp02. List of contents, no data, spool, number of tools, type, data, time, status, pages, title, list of spool requests we received, output spools. Okay, what these details you will get. Now we are going to enter in another T code /n st03. No system load data available. How much data system load is we are maintaining? So that details it shows in ST03 workload monitor. This screen you will get the all approximate instance, you will get all the information here. Workload analysis and S4 HANA system, you should have to enter /n st03n. You will get all the details in S4 HANA systems. Okay, now we are going to check the database space, how much database space we are available. /n db02, we will get database space. How much DB system? Vora means our system name is Oracle database we are using, so it will get in the Vora size 0 space 0, use 0% we are used, so this much of system space we are available. It shows all the details. N db02, and now we are going to enter in /n db01. It shows database logs. When your system SAP system logs, it will shows SM12, and db01 is shows in database logs, whatever you are using Oracle database. So it shows Oracle log monitor, so it will shows in your database name here. db01 is database. We are using the HANA database, HANA log monitor, and SQL log monitor. Like this, it will update here that operating it will update in database name here, and it shows log monitor, how many logs we are getting here. So all the details shows here. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.